Who knows what this is called?
It's a rectangle. Oh wait, no. I know. It's a 10 frame.
Where have you seen these?
In our class, every grade we have been in. Except for kindergarten. Oh wait, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Every grade.
So, what would this number look like? Think about it. Don't call it out. Okay, keep your chairs still for a second. What would this look like? What would this number look like here? Any thoughts? Describe to your neighbor, real quick. You two.
110 would be whole and then on 1.
Is that what you would do? How do you know what a 10 is? 2 lines? Okay, so he's telling me fill up all of this, and that's a 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And then you said how many more?
4. 1, 2.
So what if I wanted to take away 6? If I have my 14 here and I want to take 6, tell me which ways, or not which ways, which 6 should I take away that's pretty efficient? Tell your neighbor.
You take away the 4 and then 2 up there. You take away the 4 and then you take away 2 and then it would be 6.
Okay, eyes on me. Which one should I take away?
Matthew's just like.
That's okay. What did your partner say? Okay, I'll give you a second. She'll tell you again, and then you tell me. Okay, tell me.
You take away the bottom 2.
The bottom
2? Okay, so 1.
You got it mixed up.
Hang on, let him do it. How many?
4.
Why are we taking away the bottom 4?
Oh,
What do you think?
because then it would be weird, like it's 4 at the bottom and like 6 of them missing on the top.
Okay, so if I took these 4 away,
And then took 2 more away.
so I took away 4 first.
And
Did I take away all 6?
no.
So how many should I take away? 2? Where do I take them from? Okay, no more doing that, please. 2 on the top, so like maybe right here. Let's do a different one. Okay, what if I want to take away, I'm going to put my 14 back. What if I want to take away 7? Talk to your neighbor and see if you can figure out how to take away those 7.
So take away the 4 at the bottom and then 3 more of it. Okay.
All right. Tell me what you would do.
Take away 4 from the bottom. Take away 3 from the top.
And 3, how do you know 3?
It's because take away 6. You take away 4 and then 2 more. But with 7, you take away 3.
So in the other one I did 4 and 2 more. So this one is 4 and 3. So I'm still taking away 7.
Yes.
Are you sure? Am I still taking away 7?
Yeah.
What do you think? Am I still taking away 7 if I split it up like that?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because 7 plus 7 equals 14. You take away 7 equals 7.
Oh, that's some thinking. So I would take these 3 away. All right, let's do a different one. All right. This time I'm going to have 15. So where's my 15? How many here?
5.
The whole row? All right. And I want to take away 6. Talk to your neighbors about how you're going to take away 6 up here. Okay, tell me what you would do.
You take away the bottom 4 and then take 1 from the bottom 5 and then take away 1 from the top.
So I take away, so here, I want to write down what you said. So if I do 15 and I take away the 5 here, and then I just have those 10, right?
Yep. Then you take away 1.
And then I take away 1 from the 10.
Equals 9.
And it's 9. Oops, I'm writing upside down. It gets sloppy. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to do one more, and then we'll do something different. Okay, so here's the number. Tell me what I need to have. It's 21. How do I model 21 on these 10 frames?
Okay.
What do you think? How do I make this look like 21? What do you think? Do I have 10? I have 10. Do I have 20? How would I make 20? What would you do up there? The 10 and the 10? So what should I do with that second 10 frame?
Just put C.
Do you want some help? I'm going to ask, or do you know? I'm going to ask somebody, and then I'm going to come back and have you explain it.
Oh.
Okay, can you help us out? What would you do to make 21?
Add 5 more on the bottom.
Okay.
That one to make 20. You gotta add 1.
I need one more. All right, I'm
More space.
gonna draw another 10 frame,
Or you can just add 1 more space to the.
and it's totally lopsided. And you said one more. Okay, so tell me what he did to make 21. Can you talk really loud?
Voice isn't really. Can't.
10 and 10 and 1? I like that. Okay, thank you. All right, so if I want to take away 5, will you talk to your neighbor and see where you're going to take 5 away?
You take 1 away and then take 4 and then take away 4. The line above it. Yeah. Take away 5.
Okay, now here's what you're going to do. I saw in all of your groups, one person was talking. Now the other person gets to talk. So the first person was talking, now the second person. So raise your hand if you were the first person to share. Raise your hand if you're the sharer now.
Yeah,
One, one,
You're the sharer.
1. So you, and you're going to explain to your partners where you're going to take 5 away.
Where you have 1 and then 1 from the bottom and 1 on the other. Yes. Oh, you take away. Did you say you took away 1 at the bottom and you took 4 at the top? Can't believe that we know time.
Okay, eyes up here. Who thinks that they can share with me how they took away the 5? All right, help me out.
Take away that one and then you take away 4 more. And then it leaves you 10 on top and 5 is 1 and 16.
All right, so you took away the 1, and then you took away 4 more, and that left us with 10, 15, 16. That's interesting. Now, I have a question. How come you didn't just take a row out?
Because that would leave 1 more on the bottom out of it. And it would look weird.
Because all of you did this and then this. I was just curious. So that way you could take the 1 out, and now we're at 20, and then we took 4 more. Very cool. All right, you ready for the next challenge?
Yeah.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do.
Yeah?
I'm going to give you the starting number. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Watch.
No. Oh.
You have to explain everything that I would have to draw for this thinking. What would I draw? What would I take away? Talk to your neighbors.
And then 1 on the bottom. And then you take away 1 on the bottom, the 5 on top. What would that equal? And then you take away 4, about 6, 7, 8, 9, 16. and you take away 3, so you only have 7 left.
Now your turn. You explain how you would tell me what to do there. Explain it to her.
Yeah, what I was thinking just now is like you take the 6 out of the 10 and then you can just take 3 more. Yeah, that would be a lot easier.
Minus 1 makes 8. Take away 5. Oh, can I do this? Okay, let's see what 5, 16. So 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 7 would be I know this one is.
How do you know 7's left?
Because it's not 9. You start at 9 and you just go up, and you just use your fingers. You start at 9 and then go.
But what would you have me draw here?
I would have to draw 10, 16, 10, and then 6 at the bottom, and then 2 on the side.
And how would you take away the 9?
Crossing the bottom.
And where would you get the 9 from?
16.
So would I take the 9 away in one big chunk, or am I going to have to split up the 9 to take it away off of here?
You're going to split up the 9.
How do you know that?
Because if you just take away the whole 16, that would be 0.
Oh. So where do I get the 9 from?
What you do is you have 16 at the bottom and you have 6, so take away 3 more.
Oh, so you said if I split that and take away these 6, then how many do I have to take away here?
3.
Is that what you two were going to add? Cool.
It leaves 7.
And it leaves 7. What would the 7 on the top one look like?
1 whole row and 2.
What do you think?
It would be 2 at the bottom and 5 on the top.
That's what you kind of said. Okay, you ready to try that one again?
Yeah.
This will be your last one. All right, here we go. This time, the other partner explains first. So you explain first, and you explain first, and you explain first. Although you two work really good as partners. I notice you two go back and forth. That's pretty cool.
I let her go first.
Okay, you first and you first. Here we go. You ready for this?
Yep.
I'm not drawing dots. So you have to figure out what you're drawing.
Okay. Easy. Oh wait, it goes first.
Oh, good catch. Okay. Go ahead and explain. What would I draw and what would I take away? Go ahead and you two work together.
Okay, so we have 12 and then take away 10.
But what would that look like? If you had to tell me what to draw,
I would tell you to draw 12 and then
where would the 12 go?
12 with 1. I would draw is a whole 10 and 2 more than and 2 on the bottom. 2 and then 2 more from the top.
So I would add 10 and 2 more,
Yes.
and then I would take away 2 and 2 more,
Yes.
and it leaves 8.
Yep. 4. I said I'd fill in a 10th row, and then I'd fill in 2 on the under in the other 10th row, and I'd take away those 2 and then take away the 2 above it. Because it's not 7.
All right, stick your